Vitamins form a vital part of our diet. They are basically of two types, that is, fat soluble and water soluble. Vitamin A, D, E, K fall under the category of fat soluble, whereas vitamin B complex and C are the bunch of water soluble ones. In this video, we will learn all these vitamins with their importance and how they can be fulfilled in diet. We will first cover fat-soluble vitamins. So let's begin with vitamin A or retinol. It was first discovered by Steenbock in 1990, but its structure was deduced by Carrier, often called anti-infective vitamin, and is necessary for good eyesight. It can be destroyed by strong light. To have adequate supply of vitamin A to our body, we should eat yellow and green leafy vegetables, especially spinach, carrot, papaya, ripe mango, maize, milk, and ghee. If not eaten enough, could lead to a deficiency causing night blindness, and xerophthalmia or keratomalacia, which causes dryness and wrinkleness of outer layer of eyeball. Next is vitamin D or calciferol, also called poor man's vitamin, and is a steroid derivative. Since its formation takes place under the skin in presence of sunlight, it is also called sunshine vitamin or anti-ricket vitamin. It is needed for strong bones and teeth. Helps in DNA synthesis along with absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Main sources for this are egg, milk, fish liver oil, etc. Its deficiency causes rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Another one is vitamin E or Tocopherol, which is also known as beauty and anti-fertility vitamin. Helpful in making RBCs and is necessary for healthy reproductive system in both males and females. Vitamin E was discovered in 1922 by Herbert Maclean Evans and Catherine Scott Bishop, and first isolated in a pure form by Evans and Gladys Anderson Emerson in 1935. Green vegetables, wheat, vegetable oil, and animal food are the major sources. Its deficiency causes infertility and skin problems. And the last one under fat-soluble vitamin is vitamin K or Phylloquinone, which was discovered by Henrik Dam in 1935, also called naphthoquinone. It is synthesized in body by gut microbiota. It is also known as coagulation vitamin, which helps in blood clot. Cauliflower, spinach, soya bean, and tomatoes are rich in vitamin K. Its deficiency delays clotting of blood and causes hemorrhage. That is why it is called anti-hemorrhagic vitamin. Now moving on to the water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex, which is a combination of 8 subtypes along with vitamin C, fall under this category. Vitamin B1 or thiamine is the first contender in vitamin B complex. Its name was given by Funk and discovered by Ekman. It is required for the normal functioning of nerve cells and metabolism. It maintains a normal appetite and digestion. Main sources of it are yeast, wheat grains, beans, soya bean, milk, etc. Its deficiency causes beriberi, with symptoms like loss of appetite, paralysis of legs and head. Then comes vitamin B2 or riboflavin, which was first isolated by Watson and Christian from animal tissue. They get destroyed by cooking and on strong sunlight. It is necessary for normal growth of body. Pulses, cheese, eggs, green leafy vegetables, milk, etc. are the main sources of it, and its deficiency causes inflammation of tongue, cornea, and cracks appearing at the corner of mouth. Further, moving on to the next one is vitamin B3 or niacin, also known as anti-pellagra factor. It helps in oxidation of carbohydrates, proteins, and fat metabolism. Its main sources are cereals, liver oil, maize, fruits, meat, yeast, milk, etc. And its deficiency causes pellagra, dermatitis, and diarrhea. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid is the next one under this and is part of coenzyme A, required for cell respiration, normal nerves, and skin. Major sources of it include yeast, peas, eggs, liver oil, etc. And its deficiency can lead to anemia, dermatitis, and nerve degeneration. Next is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, which is an essential part of coenzyme for amino acid synthesis. Its main sources include meat, milk, eggs, and liver oil. Extreme excess of this vitamin can lead to poor control and coordination. Its deficiency leads to depression. Then comes vitamin B7 or biotin. It is a sulfur-containing substance also called vitamin H and serves as coenzyme for fatty acid synthesis. Sources include fruits, vegetables, milks, egg, and liver oil. Its deficiency can cause scaly and itchy skin accompanied with muscle pain and weakness. Vitamin B9 or folic acid, also called vitamin M, and was isolated from spinach leaves, vital for growth and maturation of red blood cells. Green leafy vegetables, yeast, banana, pulses, meat, and liver oil are the main sources of it. Its deficiency can lead to macrocytic anemia in men. And the last one under this is vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin. It is a cobalt-based vitamin important for formation of RBCs and functioning of nerve tissues. Main sources are cheese, milk, meat, fish and eggs. Alga and spirulina contain this vitamin too. Its deficiency mainly causes pernicious anemia. And finally, we come to vitamin C or ascorbic acid. It is the earliest known vitamin which is essential for keeping teeth, gums and body joints healthy. It prevents formation of stones in gallbladder. It strengthens the immune system and increasing resistance of our body against infections. Its main sources are amla, lemon, oranges, tomatoes, guava, kiwi and strawberries. Its deficiency leads to a disease called scurvy, where bleeding and loss of gums takes place. Hope you found this video informative. For more such insights, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you for your time.